in South Africa, each and every day there is a tragedy, something has happened, and we are always shocked. Like in this country, we live in the Haibo. Wow, you know what? Raising a girl child in this country, it's scary, guys. It's not comfortable at all. Always you're wondering what's gonna happen tomorrow to your girl child. We wish they could remain young forever. You know what? So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Matsiri Soyo. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below, and share it broader and wider. Hey guys, you are on Dear Maiso. By the way, I'm the twin that's just one solo, so I'm doing things for myself, by myself, and of course on my own. So you better congratulate me. I'm a bit disturbed. I'm extremely disturbed with the news of these girls from Mamelodi West who were found deleted early mornings on Sunday, yesterday, guys. I'm like, what the hell is happening in this country? But it's not shocking anymore because, you know, I don't know how many of young girls, how many women have been found, you know, in the middle of the streets, in their homes. Like, people are not safe anyway. Not safe at all because young women, Baliseng and Tiamo. Yeah, their names are Baliseng and Tiamo. A 23-year-old and a 22-year-old. They're still kids, you know? It's like they went out allegedly. That's the story that we're hearing because I read on MDN News and I also saw the interview of the parents, the mother and the auntie, because they're saying that they're cousins, their mothers are sisters, and because they're 1 year apart and then they grew up together, grew up like twins, you know. Yes, you can see they're wearing same clothes. Even on that day, they're still wearing same clothes. Pictures on social media, always wearing same clothes, like they were inseparable. Guys, this is so painful. Like, imagine early in the morning, you know, ho tloa mokgosi kantle, se bonwang ke se bona ke bohle. Ha o fihla o thola e le ngwana hao. Guys, you know, I'm not going to judge, you know. I'm not going to judge because at that age, you know, girls go out, boys go out, you know, but we used to go out around those ages. I remember around those ages, we were in varsity. We would go out. You know, it wasn't that hectic. Most of us would come back safe because I remember the incidents when I was in varsity whereby some of the girls who actually died or passed away while we were in varsity. The accident, it was a car accident coming from Groove, you know, maybe the drivers were drunk or something and an accident, but nobody actually got into such incidents. But then, guys, I was in varsity many years ago, 20 years ago. I think it's 20 years ago. Yeah, it's actually 20 years ago. Now I was in UJ. I went to an event there. It has changed so much because I looked at these places and then I kept saying this was a rec farm, this was the sports center, but now it's different faculties, the buildings, that has changed. So it tells you it's many years ago, 20 years ago. So now I'm thinking, as a mother of a 20-year-old, I wouldn't allow my child to live by themselves, you know. As much as we want them to have independence. What am I saying? Because on the last video, I just said at 18, my daughter will be independent and she will be going to varsity. Because even in varsity, kids want to experiment things. They go out, they want to go to the clubs and everything. But this time around, it's not safe. Because I always say, don't go out there if you don't have your own transport, if you don't have your own money. Because it means you're going to depend on someone. Because when we hear the stories that are coming up, they're saying that allegedly somebody bought alcohol for these girls and he spent 10,000 on them, guys. Like, even more wearing the ice droppers and now 10,000, guys. Okay, maybe I'm just ignorant, guys. So I'm saying this to men out there, like, don't just spend your money on women assuming that you're just buying them something is going to happen. You're going to sleep with these girls. You're going home with these girls. Let it be an agreement, because people just become bitter. You come, it's only 10,000 now, because I don't think people who really have money will just shoot someone for 10,000. O shwela manyaleng, o tlo shwella 10,000. Like 10,000 rands. Ya gore o nwele jwala ba motho ke 10,000, so sa batla o tsamaya le wena, so now sa o thunya. Guys, is it really about the alcohol? Because I heard that the guy has been arrested, because they're saying he's at 40 something, mid 40s, because the girls are 22 and 23. So this is an old man, like an old man who was expecting to take these young girls home to sleep with them. Now he feels like he needs to shoot them. He needs to, end their lives because of 10,000 rands. Guys, I'm sure he even has a wife. You might find out he even has a wife. But the bitterness, like, these people are animals. How do you do such? If you know that this is my last money, I'm not willing to, to lose this money. Like, why didn't you go by the corner of the streets and spend that 10K on a prostitute? Because there are prostitutes, there are women who are out there who are saying, I'm selling, come and have sex with me and pay me that money. I'm sure the one in the streets is not even 10,000. You are not going to spend 10,000 on that woman who is like open. Like, it's very clear, okay, you come sleep with me, I do this. So now you go to these girls who who just went to the club to have fun. And then you buy alcohol for them. Did you tell them that you wanted to sleep with them afterwards? Did you tell them that you were buying them? Because sometimes they're thinking you are just a nice guy who can just, buy. Hey, guys. I mean, they never say that. Like, guys, let's tell the truth. At my age, I don't think there is any woman who goes out there who hasn't been offered pay your bill or something by a man out there throughout your ages, because we are all been to restaurants. Even in a restaurant, you sitting there, you know what, you're eating and doing, all your stuff, you drinking, whatever, and then there will be someone who just come and offer, no, I'll settle the bill. It's very much common. It's something that it's normal. Men do that. They like doing that. So, a turn off of someone who just wants to come grab you and sleep with you, because now it says you are buying me, So now, guys, I don't know. South Africa has turned into something. Ending someone's life is so easy. Like, people don't have conscience. It's like everyone, like every second person that you meet on the street might be a killer, because, the way people are so trigger happy. I have an argument with you. It's like boom, boom. Your life is ending instantly. So, guys, let's be careful with our girl children. Girl children, also listen to your parents. Stay at home. I don't know what kind of life is this of staying at home, but we'll say to you guys, stay at home and just be more careful. Go out when you have your own money and when you have your own transport. Don't be tricked by people that you don't know, people that you just meet. Go strateng. I'm joining your table, I'm paying this and this, and they're expecting something from you. And if you can't give them what they're expecting from you, then they just end your life like that. But I'm glad they're saying that the guy has been arrested, even though we know the justice system in this country, hey, there is no follow-up. Like young people's lives just ended like that, because of, if it's the truth, 10K, there is another motive, maybe. But they're kids, guys. I can't say they had enemies. Like, it's almost impossible. Okay, they have enemies, maybe it's a hit on. No, I don't think so, because the neighbors are saying there were arguments. They had the arguments early mornings, and then there were gunshots. Both, they were dead like that. Guys, this is very, very painful. I don't even know what to say, guys. What do you think of this incident? Comment down below and share your views. And guys, I will see you on my next upload. I love you. Bye bye.